Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the surface and aligning the sticker precisely. Clean the area with isopropyl alcohol and let it dry. This removes oils that prevent adhesion. Next, position the sticker and use 2 pieces of masking tape to create a hinge along the top edge so it stays aligned. Once done, lift the bottom, peel the backing halfway, and have your squeegee and heat source ready to apply from the hinge down. You continue by applying the sticker methodically to avoid bubbles. Peel the backing slowly and press with the squeegee at a 45-degree angle, moving from the hinge down. This forces air out. If the sticker meets contours, heat gently in short bursts to make the adhesive more flexible and conform better. When tiny air pockets remain, push them toward the nearest edge. If a pocket won't move, use a 0.5 mm needle to relieve air and resqueegee immediately. You finish by trimming any excess material and sealing the edges to ensure longevity. Run a sharp blade along borders if needed and apply heat for 10 to 20 seconds around the perimeter to cure the bond. Make sure to wait 24 hours before heavy use and 48 to 72 hours before washing the vehicle. If an edge lifts later, reheat the area, press down firmly with the squeegee, and if adhesion fails, replace the sticker or add thin double-sided automotive tape as the only reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.